Managing a business can sometimes feel overwhelming because there are so many small tasks every day. Responding to leads, follow up with clients, sending the reminders, or updating records. This can take hours if done manually. This is where task automation comes in. And GoHighLevel is one of the best tools to help the entrepreneurs and the business owners to save time and boost productivity. GoHighLevel is an all-in-one platform designed for the marketing, client management, and automation. Its task automation feature let you handle the repetitive actions automatically so you can focus on growing your business instead of doing the same task over and over again. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to discover tools that make daily work faster and smarter. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from description. By using that link, you can get the 30 days free trial link on GoHighLevel instead of the 14 days. You can get the live bootcamp access and get some exclusive bonuses. So grab the offer and let's get into the main part of the video and see how GoHighLevel helps you with task automation to boost your productivity. One of the first thing you can automate is lead follow-ups. Normally, when a new lead comes in from website, social media, or ad campaign, you need to send messages or emails manually. With GoHighLevel, you can create a workflow that automatically send emails, SMS, or even the voice message as soon as lead enters in your system. This ensures every lead gets a response immediately, even when you are busy or offline. Another helpful feature is the appointment reminders. Instead of calling or messaging clients manually, GoHighLevel can automatically send reminders before appointments. You can customize the messages, set multiple reminders, and even include the links to rescheduling. This reduces missed appointments and saves you a lot of time. Task automation is also works for internal business management. You can assign the task to team members automatically based on certain triggers. For example, when a lead reaches a certain stage in your pipeline, GoHighLevel can create a task for your sales team. This ensures nothing is missed and everyone knows what to do without constant supervision. Marketing campaigns are another area where automation shines. GoHighLevel lets you build automated workflows that move leads through your email sequences, SMS campaigns, and landing page funnels. For example, a lead who signs up for a free guide can be automatically sent a series of follow-up emails and offers over days or weeks. This keeps your engagement high without you doing repetitive work. You can also automate reporting and analytics. GoHighLevel collects all of your data and send the reports automatically. You can check results of campaigns, you can see which leads converted and understand overall the productivity all in one place. The platform also allows the conditional automation. This means you can set the rules based on lead behavior. For instance, if a lead clicks on a link but doesn't purchase, GoHighLevel can automatically send a reminder or a special offer. If the lead makes a purchase, it can trigger a thank you message or move them into a different workflow. This ensures every action is targeted and personalized, that boosting the chances of your success. For entrepreneurs, task automation reduces stress and increases the consistency. You no longer have to remember every small action and depend on your team to do the things manually. GoHighLevel handles repetitive work, allowing you to focus on decision making, growing the strategies, and improving customer experience. In summary, GoHighLevel task automation saves time, improves the efficiency, and ensures that important tasks never get missed. From lead follow-ups and client reminders to marketing sequences and internal team management, it covers every part of your workflow and helps you to stay productive. So that's it basically. Now I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. If this video helped you to understand how GoHighLevel task automation can boost your productivity, then give it a like and share this video with others who want to work smarter. So don't forget to check the link from description to grab all of the offer on GoHighLevel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.